adlaw dira. So, good afternoon everyone. Happy Thursday. So today is Thursday. So sorry guys, I know I'm late. There were some technical difficulties yesterday, so wala ko ka-post. But anyway, this is going to be my Thursday vlog. And today, because it's just a few days until Pasko na, and in the spirit of sharing and giving, I'm going to share why I started this channel. So, unsa na something. So, tungod kay Pasko man, makig-share ko sa screen aning dako kay nang nato nga teddy bear. So, why I started this channel? Essentially because 2 years ago, I almost died. So, chikaan na to today. So 2 years ago, I almost died. And if you guys haven't known yet, I am a solo parent. So, solo parent means not just a single mom, but solo jud ako ngagi buhi ang ako ang anak. No, I don't receive any kind of support from the biological father sa akong anak. So, I was very scared, Jud, 2 years ago, because as I've told you guys, I almost died. And ingon jud ang doctor sa ako ang I was very, 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 very lucky that did not happen. And so I began to think nga no, in ana ra kadali, maaksidente ra gyud ka kaisa, naa jud chance nga mapapha ka diretso. And that got me to think sad of sa welfare sa akong anak. So before manggod ana, before that accident kay kanang I've always thought I was really good at managing my finances. Kay imagine I'm a solo parent pero wala jud ko ingon nga kanang utang nga dagko. Utang na siguro na ko kay kana rang mga sa kanang mga friends, like kanang dili ko makadag money nga nag-outing me sa mga sa ko may na ba gagmay jud kayo siya nga mga utang, dili makapapriso, walay interest nga mga utang. So kana siya, and then naadyo ko extra money and I had an emergency money. So I thought at that time nga mo na to ang emergency money. And then naka-start na ko pahimo sa among balay. So yeah, I really thought that I was doing really well with my finances. I thought that I learned all there is to learn about managing money. So confident jud kayo ko. And then that fateful day came nga I almost died, and then it got me thinking, what if I really did die? Maunsa man ang ako ang anak. So first, wala day ko mabili niya. Kaya nga naman, wala ko insurance. Any and all types of insurance wala ko. I was a freelancer back then, so I worked home-based, so wala ko HMO. I did not have kanang mga St. Peter type of insurance, kanang saan tawag na burial. Excuse me. Ikan ako nag hacho ko. And then life insurance, I didn't have that. Wala ko any type of investments. Ang naara nako is a few hectares of land nga naa sa Mindanao nga kabaw ko nga dili kayo dali accessible sa akong anak. So, and because of that accident sad na sakit ko, and then which led to me shelling out a huge amount of money, to the point nga tungod kay wala ko HMO, or like nahurot, like usara kay ana kay nahurot ang ako ang emergency money, and then nakuhaan pa ang money nga ako untang panggasto sa pagpatukod sa among balay. And then nakautang pa jud ko, and ana siya kadako kay I was actually in an accident. So while I was recovering, kahuna-huna jud ko, what am I going to do? Napay balay, wa pa na ko maghimo, and di siya pwede muundang. And then I'm still recuperating from my injuries. So mahitabo, while I was still sick, I was still working. Dira jud ko naka-realize I wasn't really smart about my money. And then I realized further nga most Filipinos, sige, gamay lang na ha, most Cebuanos are just like me. Walay, they thought they're just doing fine. They know all there is that needs to know about money, and then some kind of accident, God forbid, mahitabo sa ilaha, and their opinions change. And then makautang sila. And then maglisod na sila og recover financially. So dito, it opened, that accident was, I think, a wake-up call. Kay, and pasalamat sa Diyos ko sa Ginoo nga kanang He gave me that chance to learn and to grow from that unfortunate event. So moto siya nga, it got me thinking, hey, I need to do something about my finance, about how I see life, and all that stuff. Like, nadyo ko epiphany nga, bonggang-bongga. Moto, I started reading books. I started through to watch YouTube videos about finances and kanang inana self-development stuff. And then timing said kaayo nga my boyfriend was also into that kind of thing. Before kay dili pa to nako siya uyab ana nga time, so we were friends and we were talking a lot about those kind of things, and which led me to become a financial advisor, because I thought, what better way to learn about finance than to become a financial advisor. So daghan jud ako jud kayo natabang ang ako ang pagka-financial advisor sa ako ang personal finance journey. And because of that, because I'm a licensed financial advisor, kuan jud siya, nakatabang siya para cement gani ang kanang nga I really have to do something about my money, personal money, before ko makahatag og advice sa ubang tao. And that's why nga I'm really making sure nga I'm doing well with how I manage my money. Kay before kanang naalang ko'y fix nga 10% sa akong pay, kaya ako nang i-save. But the rest, bisan pagdaghan kog extra, ako na diyong gastuon. Like, magsakit ang akong ulo kung dili ko kagasto, kung dili mahurot akong kwarta. Kay, confident naman ko nga, nano ko'y na-save nga 10%. And it turns out that I could have done a lot more with that money, instead of just finding ways to spend it. And now I know those things, and because I know all of these things, I would like to share it to other people as well, especially Cebuanos mo nang kani akong mga videos kay mga Bisaya dyan siya, kay ganahan jud ko nga maka-reach out ko, bisag mag-start lang ko sa nato nga mga taga Cebu, because it's very importante kaayo nga kung unsay mga sayop sa karaang henerasyon, dili na siya mabalik sa karon nga generation, and in turn dili na to matudlo ang wrong practices in this generation to the next. And I'm also thinking about my child mansad. So how can I help her become more financially independent through learning it now for myself, diba? So muna siya. That's the whole reason for this channel. So yeah, it's basically to help other people, to help my child, and to help myself as well. So again, I think I posted this on my last video. If there's something that you want to learn, or if there's something you want me to share, just let me know in the comments below, or you can send me a personal message. I will try to create that link, a survey link for you guys, so maka ask mo personal question if you don't want me to know who you are. If you want to keep yourself anonymous, I'll get that link for you, because I want to make sure that the videos that I put out are the ones that you need sad. Kay lahi man sa nang magsige ko put out a video and then dili pa day mo ka-relate or di pa day mo ready ang learnings. So I want to know what you guys need, and I'll do my best to get it. So again, I'm going to say bye-bye, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you, I'll see you on my next video. Until then, let me leave you with this quote, that the best life, your best life, starts when you decide. Bye-bye.